Why is it so hot today? It is hot today because the heat of the sun is very strong. Even some human activities like cause of hotness, like spirit pollution, cutting trees, and it's not only sunlight problem but also environment problem.
Around late August, the monsoon starts weakening in some areas. Because of that, there is a lot of dry air and
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Guys, don't you feel hot today? It is hotter than usual. This it is getting crazy. Why is it so hot today? It is hot today because the heat of the sun is very strong. Even some human activities like cause of hotness, like spirit pollution, cutting trees, and this is not only sunlight problem but also environment problem. What about you, Zinat?
yeah, it is so hot today mainly because we are in the hottest part of the air, and around late August the monsoon starts weakening in some areas. Because of that, there is a lot of dry air and sunshine.
And I think it is getting hotter because the weather is changing, global warming is showing its effect, and human pollution makes the temperature rise. That's why it feels like the heat is getting crazy these days.
So I have a question, that why temperature is rising day by day?
According to me, it's caused of pollution because big factories, vehicles, industries release harmful gases, and these gases go into the atmosphere and trap the heat of the sun. And this thing make temperature rise day by day. What about you, Dua? I think temperature is rising day by day because of pollution and cutting trees. And every summer we hear news about record heat in many cities, and heat waves cause water shortage. That's why every year we feel more heat than before. What do you think, Zenat?
Yeah, the temperature is rising day by day due to climate change and the human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution. And pollution are trapping heat, and so that's why it's getting hotter.
Listen me, guys. I was actually thinking, why is this happening again and again? There must be some reasons. But what are the major reasons?
I think it's happening because of deforestation, because deforestation is the biggest issue, and so I think it's happening because of deforestation.
And I think the main reason is global warming. And we people are also responsible because we cut down trees, we use so much cars, so much bikes that give smoke, and our factories pollute the air. That's the main reason. What do you think, Mariam? According to me, climate change. Because nowadays the seasons are not stable like before. Sometimes summers come early, sometimes winter come late, and the rain cycles is also disturbed. In this unbalance, that's why the earth keep getting hotter.
Guys, I have a question from you. That does it affect our health?
Of course, guys, it's really affect our health. Because of that, many people face problems like headache, skin issues, even breathing becomes difficult sometimes. And we can also see many people around us falling sick in summer because it is directly affect our health. What do you think, Mariam? Yes, it's affect our health for many ways. Like we feel dehydration, our body lose water early, and headache. Even our skin get damaged. The strong sunlight, it's really dangerous for our health. What about you, Sina?
Yeah, definitely it affects our health by worsening air and increasing heat and spreading diseases like malaria and dengue. It affects our mental health.
This problem becoming serious day by day. I don't think this is not only suffering for Pakistan. What do you think, guys? Is it only problem of Pakistan or other countries? Yes, you are right, Mariam. This is not only the problem of Pakistan. It's happening in many countries like India. People suffer from long heat waves in summer, and America, Europe, France. People have also faced record breaking heat. So it's a global issue, not just our country. What do you think, Zinat?
Yes, Dua, it was a very good answer from your side. So I also think that it's not the only problem of Pakistan. Many countries feel the heat too. The earth is getting warmer over the heat, so it's not just about Pakistan. Many countries feels heat too.
I also think that almost every country in the world is facing the same issues. Uh, if we see developed countries like America, China, European nation are struggling with heat waves, floods, whether it's China, India, or Pakistan, and any other country, this effect is spread are everywhere. How can we solve this problem?
To solve this problem, it has both sides. Firstly, the internal side and the external side. On the external side, government and organization should take big steps. They should take action, like they should protect forest, and they should make the law to reduce pollution. On the internal side, we should do simple things in our daily lives, like remain hydrated and we should remain hydrated. If we will do these things, so we can solve this problem.
Yes, you are right, Zinat. This problem has both solution, internal and external. Internally, we can plant trees, we can save electricity, we can try to drink at least 8 glass of water. And externally, the government and our organization should take an action. For example, promoting solar energy, working together on climate change. So, if both people and government play their part, we can reduce this problem. Alright, guys, that's all our perspective. The problem is big, but if we really want, we can bring change.
Thank you so much for watching us. We are from English in Liaquat Colony campus. Want to speak English like us? So join us. Thank you so much.